Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. You need to begin by opening Settings and choosing Notifications right away. Now tap on Manage All and click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. In order to switch them back on, click on the same, now gray sweater. If you want to, you can also go back, scroll down and click on one of your apps over here. Then, by tapping on this sweater next to Allow Notifications, you can switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!